Hi, my name is Giorgio Sarica. I'm the bodywork slash hydro dipper at the lab at E.C.D Automotive Design. So the hydro dipping process is a long process. It starts off by cleaning the product or whatever item you're gonna do. You go ahead and sand and do any body work you need to do to it. After you sand the product or the item, you go to high build primer to cover up any details or any nicks. From there you sand the primer with a 320 or 400 to get it all smooth, ready for base. After base, you choose the color that goes along with the film that you're gonna do of the design. And from there you make sure that the base is clear and no dirt is in it, because that's how it's going straight to the dipping process. When you're at the dipping process, you need to make sure that the water is up to temperature, that the gun's set up pressure right, PSI right, everything's clean, everything's neat, everything's wiped down. After everything's wiped down, make sure that the film's stretched out, no water, no dirt, no anything. After you lay out the film on the water, make sure that it's not moving, lock it in place and set the timer. After you set the timer, just make sure that everything's neat, because you have 30 seconds to dip in and process. After you dip it, you have to go at an angle and do it really gently and slowly, not to cause any waves. After you leave the dipping process, you rinse it out with warm water and make sure that no details or any details are left behind. After that, you just set it up and get it ready for clear. After it's ready and perfect and inspected by our QC, that's when it's ready to be installed onto our trucks.